Hello guys! I'm here today in Belport Estates. Let's check out Bibian model. This property is located in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. This 5-bedroom single detached house has 2-car garage and ample space for your garden. Tara, tuloy po kayo. Upon entry, we are welcomed by a spacious and cozy living area. We have a dining area that can fit 6 to 8 seaters, dining tables, and faces the lanai. The kitchen area is very modern and homey at pwede ka pang maglagay ng kitchen island. We have a ground floor bedroom para sa mga bisita or your extended families. Next to it is the ground floor toilet and bath with complete fixture na. Moving on, let's go up on the second floor. The first bedroom here is super bright and has ample space for a queen-size bed. Bedroom 2 is very cozy and can be shared by your teenage children. This bedroom is perfect for young kids and nursery or playroom. Here naman is the common toilet and bath for the second floor. And the best part of the house, look how comfortable and relaxing ang master's bedroom. Meron na din itong ensuite toilet and bath. If you're interested to see this property in person, schedule your ocular today. This is your Tita Fanji from Metrolink Properties. Bye for now!